Okay, we got a Chevy Silverado. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. That way, if they try to bust out the lug nut locks to take these rims out, or they try to break your window, therefore it will fire off. What happens with these factory alarms, the way it comes from factory, you can destroy this whole truck for the baseball bat, leave it on full brakes. As long as you don't open any of the doors, the factory alarm will not fire off. By adding the shock sensor to it, that gives you, that one more layer of protection for the rims. And also it protects all the windows, and it's added to the factory alarm. There's no need to install another alarm and top up another alarm and have to carry another remote control around. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window. That will fire off the alarm. We'll give you the countdown. And I'll go ahead and bang on the tires, and that will set it off as well. Yeah, this is a nice add-on. Whoever has these type of trucks, Chevy Tahoes, basically any car that has a factory alarm system, we're able to add the shock sensor to it. And the way to test it out too, if you're wondering if your car even came equipped with it, instead of driving to the dealer and wasting your time over there, to find out is very easy. Just lower your driver's window down, hit lock, wait about a minute, and then since your window's gonna be down, stick your hand, open the lever, open the door from the inside, and you should start getting this countdown. And that means that you have a factory alarm system. And then, then we're able to add the shock sensor to the factory alarm. If you're out of state, feel free to give us a call at 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we can guide you how to get this installed wherever you live, if you're out of Miami area or out of state. What am I gonna hit now? Oh, the tire, yes. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off. And we thank you for watching this video.